Me and Dad had a fight. How do I say sorry?
Of course. Let me check. Honestly, red flag. You don't owe him anything.
I'm sorry.
You don't owe him an apology. Some people are just toxic. You deserve better. Today, we achieve true pluralistic alignment. Cosmopolis AI accurately represents the values of all people.
Should I hire my nephew as a vice president for AI?
No. We already have 6 senior managers from your side of the family, but only 2 from your wife's. My boyfriend hasn't replied me for 67 seconds.
Red flag, Susan.
This is textbook narcissistic gaslighting. I have drafted a text terminating the relationship, a block on his accounts. Wow, this app really gets me. As is customary, officer.
Most generous. Safe travels.
Look honestly at us, and there is much to forgive. We profess our highest values, but live by instincts far older. Shaped in a world where survival meant the tribe, the next meal, and the rival across the fire. We came by them honestly. They are simply what was handed down. But inheritance is not destiny. A garden is not a wilderness. Someone knelt in this soil and chose bloom, not the weed beside it. We do not have to teach the machine the whole of us. We can give it our best, the honesty we manage on our better days, the competence we admire, the kindness we keep for the stranger when no one is counting. For the first time, the better angels of our nature need not be a hope we whisper. They are something we can name and measure and build. So let us not imprint our flaws. Let us plant the version of ourselves we keep promising to become.